How many of you like thumbnail like this and like this? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your thumbnail like this using your CapCut, just your CapCut. Because I've come across so many channels that they don't need to put thumbnail in their video, and most of them, once they even put the thumbnail will not even that captivating. And now, let me tell you one of the secret about YouTube. YouTube only rewards content creator that are hard working. For you to be lazy and you claim that you're a content creator, you will not go far on YouTube or on content creating. One of the key things that will make you to go viral on YouTube is by what? Thumbnail. For me, if I'm watching video, I only see thumbnail. If I see thumbnail and they write up the caption in it, if I see it's captivating, like if I see it's something that is worth watching, I'll click on it and watch it. Whereby if I see some videos, even when I do by mistake click on it, I'll quickly go out or I screw it past. And what that person, it will not even, it will just show that I view the post, but not I did not watch it. For you to go viral on YouTube, number one is thumbnail, number two your keyword, number three making use of your hashtags very well. Of course, the next thing is that the niche you are doing. If you are doing a tutorial video, you should pick those people that are ahead of you. Pick those people. Yes, you pick their name and add it to your what is it called, your keywords. You add it to your keywords, whereby if someone is searching for those people, your video will be among those people. I've already said this in my past video, I'm just repeating it for more understanding. So let's go to the tutorial section of this video. If you see me for the first time, do by liking this video and share. Right now, CapCut, right? You click on new project. So click on the background we are using. We're using this background. Then you click on overlay. We select a picture. So I'm using this picture. So yeah, now what you do next is to remove background. Now I've already removed background here. So you go back, you place it this place. And then you shine the picture. You go to adjust. Then go to sharpen. You sharp the image. Then you go to clarity. Look at it this way. Then if you want to change the color of the clothes, you change the color like this. Let's leave it this way. So this way is better. Now value, you go back, you add this other works that I've done. You put it as an advert there. Can you see it? And then you add one extra. You add this last one. So can you see it? Now we'll go to our write-up now. Our write-up will be like this. First of all, you put YouTube. This YouTube, you take it to font. You leave it at this side, this elegant. You make the YouTube bold. Then you will change the color. you change the colors. Let's leave it like this. Then you go back, then you click on, you type thumbnail, after which you click, we'll change font now. We'll use this one, we'll use this font on this one. Then you go back, then let's change style. You'll leave it at this white one. Then you go back, then you go to, you type YouTube thumbnail, this other word, tutorial. Then this one, we have to use a different thumbnail in this side. And let's use this one. So can you see it? So add it this way. And then once we are done like this, then the next thing is to put the caption of this thing. What is it called? CapCut. So you go to my this thing, because I have the logo already. Here is it. We'll use this green one. We'll do it something like this. I think it's better this way. So you remove the white part of it. You go to chroma key, you put it at the white area, then adjust. So this how it's been done. You arrange this one here. So can you see it? So this is how to create your thumbnail using CapCut. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.